Public relations is a complex and dynamic field. It requires careful planning and execution. Professionals use various models to guide their work. These models provide a structured approach to managing communication. They help practitioners achieve specific goals. Models help streamline the PR process. They offer a roadmap for achieving objectives. Without a clear model, PR efforts can become disorganized. This can lead to ineffective communication. One such model is the RACE model. This model is widely recognized and utilized in the industry. It provides a comprehensive framework for public relations activities. The RACE model ensures a systematic approach to PR. It helps practitioners create impactful campaigns. This model is essential for students and professionals alike. The RACE model is an acronym. It stands for Research, Action, Communication, and Evaluation. These 4 steps represent a cyclical process. It guides PR professionals from the initial planning stages to measuring results. The model emphasizes the importance of research. Research is the foundation for any successful PR campaign. Action involves developing strategies and tactics based on research finding. Communication focuses on effectively conveying messages. It utilizes various channels to reach the target audience. Evaluation assesses the effectiveness of the campaign. It provides insights for future improvements. Each element of the RACE model is interconnected. They build upon each other. By following this model, PR practitioners can ensure that their efforts are strategic, targeted, and measurable. This leads to more successful PR outcomes. Research forms the bedrock of the RACE model. It involves gathering information to understand the situation. This includes identifying target audiences, analyzing their perceptions, and understanding the competitive landscape. Thorough research helps PR professionals define the problem accurately. It helps them set realistic objectives. Without proper research, campaigns risk being ineffective. They may fail to resonate with the intended audience. Research can be conducted using various methods. These include surveys, focus groups, media monitoring, and data analysis. The chosen methods depend on the specific objectives and available resources. Effective research provides valuable insights. It guides the development of targeted and impactful PR strategies. It ensures that campaigns are aligned with the needs and interests of the target audience. The action phase of the RACE model involves developing strategic plans. This is based on the insights gathered during research. This stage focuses on setting clear objectives, defining target audiences, and creating actionable strategies. Action planning includes identifying key messages. It involves determining the most effective communication channels. It also includes establishing a timeline and budget. A well-defined action plan provides a roadmap for the PR campaign. It ensures that all activities are aligned with the overall objectives. This stage is crucial for translating research findings into concrete actions. Effective action planning ensures that PR efforts are focused and strategic. This maximizes the chances of achieving the desired outcomes. Section 5. Communication reaching the target audience. Communication is the heart of the RACE model. It involves putting the carefully crafted plans into action. This stage is about effectively conveying messages to the target audience. It uses various communication channels. These channels can include traditional media. Examples are press releases, media relations, and events. They can also include digital channels. Examples are social media, content marketing, and email marketing. The choice of communication channels depends on the target audience. It also depends on the message and the overall PR strategy. Effective communication requires clear, concise, and engaging content. It should be tailored to the specific channel and audience. This stage is about getting the message across. It ensures that the target audience receives and understands the intended information. Section 6. Evaluation, measuring success and learning. Evaluation is the final stage of the RACE model. It involves assessing the effectiveness of the PR campaign. It measures whether the objectives were achieved. Evaluation uses various metrics. These include media mentions, website traffic, social media engagement, and changes in public perception. It provides insights into the strengths and weaknesses of the campaign. The findings from the evaluation stage are crucial for learning and improvement. They inform future PR efforts. They help refine strategies and optimize resource allocation. Evaluation ensures accountability. It demonstrates the value of PR activities. This stage is essential for continuous improvement in PR practice. Section 7. Strengths of the RACE model. The RACE model offers several strengths. It makes it a valuable framework for PR professionals. Its structured approach provides clarity. It guides practitioners through each stage of the PR process. The model's emphasis on research ensures that campaigns are informed and targeted. This increases the likelihood of success. The evaluation stage promotes accountability. It encourages continuous improvement by learning from past campaigns. The RACE model's versatility makes it adaptable. It can be applied to various PR situations and industries. Whether managing a product launch, a crisis, or ongoing brand building, the RACE model provides a solid framework for strategic communication. Its simplicity makes it easy to understand and implement. This makes it a valuable tool for both experienced and novice PR professionals. Section 8. Limitations of the RACE model. While the RACE model offers numerous benefits, it's essential to acknowledge its limitations. One potential drawback is its linear structure. In reality, the PR process is often cyclical and iterative. The model's emphasis on planning can lead to rigidity. This may not be suitable for fast-paced environments requiring quick adaptation. The evaluation stage, while crucial, can be time-consuming and resource-intensive. Another limitation is that the RACE model doesn't explicitly address the importance of relationships. Building and maintaining strong relationships with stakeholders is paramount in PR. While the model provides a valuable framework, it should be viewed as a guide. It should not be seen as a rigid set of rules. Flexibility and adaptability are crucial for effective PR. Section 9. Conclusion. RACE. A valuable framework for PR success. The RACE model is a fundamental framework in public relations. It provides a structured and systematic approach to planning, implementing, and evaluating PR campaigns. By following its 4 key steps, research, action, communication, and evaluation, practitioners can ensure that their efforts are strategic, targeted, and measurable. While the model has its limitations, its strengths in providing clarity, promoting accountability, and encouraging continuous improvement make it an invaluable tool for PR professionals. By understanding and applying the RACE model, practitioners can enhance their PR efforts and achieve meaningful results. The RACE model is not a magic formula, it's a roadmap. It guides PR practitioners towards success. By embracing its principles and adapting them to specific situations, PR professionals can effectively navigate the complexities of the field. They can build strong relationships with their audiences,